What's up, guys? Hope you're all feeling amazing. Um, Today's session was a bit weird, man. So we started the day actually. Let me show you. So we started the day like with a big news event, and after that we had this nice push on the top side. Usually I like news event when they are happening at 1:30, because usually when I'm coming here at 2:30 they are still somewhere like here, so as soon as I'm here, I'm just getting in with a buy position and I'm buying till like the last drop of this, but today was a weird day because when I came here it was already like this. So when I came here it was like 210 or something like that, so somewhere here. So after that we had this drop to the downside, and here was 230. Where is it? This candle, this big bullish candle, this was 230, the opening of the stock market. So I was like, alright, so we already been on the upside, we already been to the downside before with the news event, and after that we already did this, what I'm usually trading, and all of this happened before my session started. So I was like, fuck, man. So let's see some opportunities. So I see this, and after that we had this nice push to the upside. And when this one has happened, I was like, alright, if they did this and they stopped out even more sellers over here, if anyone had like opportunity to sell this shit from here, obviously they brought by price back to stop them out. And after that we went back here. Let me delete this load of shit because it annoys me. Alright, so I was like, okay, let's try the sell side. So they brought back the price here, which is good zone to sell, because it is like a kind of like supply demand zone, like imbalance candle as well. And here is a huge, like the whole drop started from here, and when the drop started it came back here, so here we had another drop as well. So I was like, alright, this is a good area to sell, and after that we had this big bearish candle, this one. So after this I was like, you know what, man, I'm not gonna wait for any retest, anything. I'm just gonna get in, man. So I got in, I was holding it till this, and after that I saw this actually. So the whole move, when the first leg started, when the first break and retest came back, it was this zone actually. So this was like, for me, it was like an impulse zone. So I had to keep in mind, like, there's gonna be some buying pressure from this zone. So this is kind of like important zone for us, So we had this big push to the downside, and after that we had this loads of week, it was retesting this area, this shit, because we broke this, even on the 5 minutes we broke it. So after that it one candle, alright, it closed like this. I was like, alright, still holding this shit, still holding, because I was closing somewhere here, I believe. So, and when you can see it clearly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So in this time actually it was a little bit changing, like these bullish candles wasn't like slow, and these bullish candles was actually pretty fast, pretty quick, so I was like, okay, maybe they changing momentum, they just bring price down to stop out some people here, and they can do something like this, going to the upside. And on the other hand, I was a bit scared as well, because my stop loss, as you see, it wasn't as tight, it wasn't as huge, it was very tight. So, but if I'm gonna put it here, we couldn't even bank just like 1.9, which is obviously I'm not gonna go for 1.9 at the beginning of the session. So yeah, I was like, I'm not sure, you know, if it's a good trade. So I let it go, man. So I just took it off from here, and yeah, after that, straight away the big drop happened. So I was like, okay, man, fuck it, it happened. So yeah, we came here. I was looking to buy from this zone actually, but I was waiting for another confirmation or something like that. When we had this leg, this second leg over here, so I was like, alright, this is a retest. And when we had this third one, you know, and the third one, it wasn't as long as this one. It was very, very small. It's like almost in, actually we can say that it's in the same position, you know, because it didn't really like break anything. And after this candle, I think I entered somewhere here or maybe the next one, I don't know. But I was pretty sure we're gonna go up because it was slowing down, you know. And what I didn't know actually, that this shit is gonna go up like crazy, man. But obviously I didn't have time as well to watch it because I'm trading till 3 o'clock only, so it's just like half an hour. So I was like, alright, I'm gonna aim like a 1 to 2, something like this. Yeah, exactly. And yeah, I'm just gonna bang the 1 to 2 and I'm just gonna get out from the computer, you know. And man, this shit is happened. It was pain in the ass, man. So it came like this, yeah, and after that we had these weeks, man, 1, 2, 3 weeks. And the third one, that one was the one who smashed, yeah, would have smashed the target, but I closed it somewhere here. I don't know actually, where did I close it? To be honest, I closed it somewhere here, to be honest. So yeah, it was a pretty unfortunate day because we could have banked this one, but we still made 1,200, which is like alright. So yeah, I'm not gonna rob your time one more time. Let's get into the video and check the live session, how I made this 1,200. Let's see, guys. On this one, 2%. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's follow the price, guys. Okay. Getting out, it looks like a buy, to be honest, because this has a quite a big impulse level. Let's see what's gonna happen. Because I see a little bit of momentum to the upside. It doesn't mean it's gonna go up, you know, but it looks like it's changing, you know. Yeah, we fucked up a little bit. Not a little bit. Hardly. We could have banked already the profit. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna try to get it 1 to 2, guys. Let's see if we can get that push. In my idea, actually, because we're closing soon, you know, we have 1 minute from the hour, and if the 1 hour is actually gonna close up there, be pretty good. If not, if this one gonna close somewhere here, I'm just gonna take it off and that's it for the day. I'm just really hoping we can get a little bit of move here, like 2%. Let's see if people are gonna start selling now, or we good till this point. I just really hope so we can squeeze this 2% and we're good for the day. Please, my man. I fucked it up here actually. I was a little bit scared and skeptical, like if it's gonna go down or not. We are in this EMA. Hopefully we're not gonna have the same issue like what we had on Tuesday. Hopefully it's gonna reach this point and after I'm good for the day. Fuck's sake. I'm just thinking about the fucking move on Tuesday. That's why I'm like a bit scared still. I'm just gonna bank it. That's it, man. What's the time? Oh, it's coming the next one. It's gonna be a bearish 100%, yeah. Really annoying, man. I'm gonna get out, man. I'm gonna get out. 1,200, guys. This trade actually was a quick one, you know. I didn't want it to hold it too long. But we have this EMA here and I don't wanna make the same mistake what I made on Tuesday, so I closed the trade with a 1.8%, which is not bad, you know. Could have been better, but still. And in here, what I fucked it up, man, so hard, man. We could have banked like 3% from here to here, but I was keeping in mind it's fucking 230, you know. So sometimes when it's 230, they pushing the price down, and after that, when they reach a zone, when they grab a zone like this or like this, after that they push it back straight away, and everyone is just gonna get fucked who sold it here. So that's why I was a bit skeptical. As you see, it could have reached my zone, but I don't wanna risk it actually, and it's 3 o'clock. So yeah, I'm good for the day. See you guys in the next video, right? Peace.